Welcome back to Knowledge Blitz. Today's challenge is guess the snack by emoji. You'll have 5 seconds to guess each one. Let's get started. What snack is this? Oreo, America's favorite cookie. Doritos, Nacho Cheese Crunch. Pop-Tarts, straight from the toaster. Teddy Grahams, Sweet Little Bears. Goldfish crackers. Ice cream sandwich. So cheesy, so crunchy. What is it? Cheez-Its. Cherry Coke. Banana bread. Lay's potato chips. Reese's peanut butter cups. Root beer float. Chips Ahoy! A meaty snack stick. Slim Jim, snap into it. Cookie dough ice cream. As American as apple pie. Slurpee. Hungry? Why wait? Caramel corn. Hershey's bar. Dunkin' Donuts. Easy game day snack. M&M's. Nachos. Lemonade. Fortune cookie. The Golden Arches Classic. McDonald's. Jolly Ranchers. Once you pop, you can't stop. Pringles. Funfetti Cupcakes. Arizona Iced Tea. Oreo Ice Cream Sundae. Pickle Juice Soda. Yes, it's real in America. Chocolate-covered pretzels. Sweet plus salty mix. Strawberry Pop-Tarts. Fruity toasted goodness. Milk and cookies, the ultimate American comfort. Watermelon Kool-Aid, sweet and refreshing. Almond Joy, coconut happiness. Bagel with cream cheese, NYC favorite. Chocolate Easter Bunny, holiday classic. And that's it. How many snacks did you guess correctly? Comment your score below and let us know your favorite